Spider IH-300. The Spider IH-300 represents a hopeful step forward in aerial firefighting, bringing speed, reach, and precision to emergencies that were once difficult to address. Designed to respond swiftly in places beyond the reach of traditional fire engines, including towering city buildings, dense forests, and rugged mountain terrain, the H-300 delivers strong support when every second matters. At the heart of its mission is an intelligent blasting control system that enables accurate fire suppression through advanced LiDAR and laser range finding. Carrying 4 55-pound fire extinguishing pods filled with water-based agents or dry powder, the drone releases them at carefully calculated heights, spreading cooling and suppressing material across roughly 2,150 to 3,230 square feet to reduce heat, smoke, and active flames. In high-rise emergencies, it can also deploy a window-breaching launcher, allowing access through tempered glass while keeping responders at a safe distance. Built from carbon fiber and aviation-grade aluminum, the H-300 combines strength with agility, supporting payloads up to 331 pounds and a maximum takeoff weight of about 568 pounds. With flight endurance ranging from 40 to 62 minutes, an operational altitude of approximately 1,640 feet, a control range of about 6.2 miles, and a deployment time of under 5 minutes, the Spider IH-300 brings reassurance, readiness, and expanded capability to modern firefighting efforts. EHang EH-216F. The EHang EH-216F brings a new sense of possibility to high-rise firefighting by extending safe and precise response into urban spaces that were once out of reach. Developed from a passenger-grade aerial platform, this autonomous aircraft is purpose-built to operate high above city streets and within tight building corridors where traditional ladder trucks, often limited to about 164 feet, cannot reach. Its uncrewed design allows it to move directly toward danger while keeping firefighters out of harm's way. The EH-216F follows a carefully coordinated suppression process that blends awareness with decisive action. Using a high-resolution camera with 10 times optical zoom and a laser targeting system, the aircraft pinpoints the exact location of a fire. It then opens access by launching a guided projectile to break windows cleanly and accurately. Once the path is clear, the drone deploys up to 6 fire-suppressing projectiles filled with fine ABC dry powder to attack the core of the blaze. To complete the response, a high-pressure nozzle spreads firefighting foam across the area, helping to cool surfaces and prevent reignition. Built for demanding industrial missions, the EH-216F supports payloads up to about 485 pounds. It can carry roughly 40 gallons of firefighting foam or water-based liquid, fly at speeds approaching 81 miles per hour, and operate at altitudes up to about 1,970 feet. Measuring approximately 24 feet long and 18 feet wide, it delivers about 21 minutes of flight time, making it well-suited for rapid deployment within a radius of roughly 3.1 miles from fire stations. Together, these capabilities offer cities a faster, safer, and more confident response to high-rise fire emergencies. Fireswarm Ultra Heavy. The Fireswarm Ultra Heavy lift system brings a renewed sense of confidence to wildfire response by extending aerial firefighting into moments when traditional aircraft must remain grounded. Developed by Canadian startup Fireswarm Solutions. This autonomous platform is built for continuous operation, working day and night, and pushing through heavy smoke where crewed helicopters and airplanes face serious risk. Its approach allows firefighting efforts to continue without pause, providing steady pressure on growing wildfires when time and access matter most. At the core of the system are jet-powered quadcopters derived from the Thunder Wasp airframe, operating together in coordinated swarms. Guided by artificial intelligence, infrared sensors, and LiDAR, these aircraft navigate on their own, identifying hotspots and tracking fire behavior in real time. They deliver carefully aimed drops of water or fire retardant directly onto emerging flames, while their variable pitch propellers allow them to maneuver efficiently to nearby lakes or reservoirs, refill automatically, and return to the fire line without human direction. Each fire swarm aircraft carries up to about 880 pounds of water or suppressant, equal to roughly 72 to 100 gallons per sortie. With an airframe spanning about 16 feet by 16 feet, a flight endurance of up to 2 hours, and speeds reaching around 81 miles per hour. These drones perform more like compact helicopters than conventional UAVs, weighing approximately 827 to 882 pounds empty. The Fireswarm system offers firefighters a steady, tireless aerial presence that strengthens wildfire control efforts when conditions are at their most demanding. Drone Amplified Ignis II. The Drone Amplified Ignis II brings targeted precision and reliability to wildfire response, giving crews a capable ally in areas that are difficult or dangerous to access on the ground, built to deliver fire suppression agents directly into flames or onto hotspots. This rugged aerial system carries small spheres filled with gel, foam, or fire retardant that burst on impact, slowing or halting the spread of fire. Each drone can transport up to about 33 pounds of payload, allowing multiple strategic drops during a single flight across critical points in a burning landscape. Its 6-rotor design provides stable flight in smoke, heat, and shifting winds, giving operators confidence and accuracy when dropping materials over steep terrain, fuel breaks, or structures at risk. With a flight endurance approaching 25 minutes and a control range exceeding 0.6 miles, the Ignis II can move ahead of ground teams to protect key areas. Integrated thermal imaging and GPS allow pilots to pinpoint active fire edges, adjust drop patterns in real time, and record conditions for situational awareness. Designed for resilience, its robust frame and rapid reload system enable quick return to action, supporting sustained operational tempo during extended wildfire events and ensuring that firefighters have precise, timely support when it matters most. Xi-50. The Xi-50 firefighting drone brings precision, power, and adaptability to emergency response, giving firefighters the ability to act quickly in urban, forest, and industrial fires. Built on a sturdy multi-rotor frame, it carries up to about 110 pounds of fire suppression materials, sensors, and delivery systems, allowing crews to address hotspots before ground teams can safely arrive. For direct fire engagement, the Xi-50 can be equipped with pressurized extinguishers or throwable projectiles that disperse dry powder, foam, or retardant. Each 55-pound extinguisher can cover roughly 1,615 square feet, helping to slow flames, cool structures, and create safer conditions for arriving teams. Flight capabilities include a control range of nearly 25 miles, high-definition video transmission, and RTK positioning for precise navigation, even in smoke, wind, or complex terrain. Thermal and optical cameras provide real-time detection of heat sources, guiding the drone to optimal drop points with accuracy. Beyond firefighting, the Xi-50 doubles as a reconnaissance and rescue support platform, relaying critical data and helping coordinate efforts across challenging incident sites, ensuring a smarter, faster, and more controlled response to fires. TF-19 Wasp. The TF-19 Wasp transforms drone technology into a precise tool for fire management, offering a safe, controlled way to ignite and manage burns from the air. Developed by Throwflame, it equips compatible drones with a flamethrower attachment that can lift at least about 5 pounds and carries a 1-gallon fuel tank to power its flame system. Once airborne, the TF-19 WASP projects flames up to roughly 30 feet, keeping operators safely distant from hot terrain, debris, or other hazards. This makes it ideal for controlled vegetation burns, clearing brush, or performing backburns to remove fuel ahead of wildfires. Each tank allows about 100 seconds of continuous flame, providing a compact yet effective method to deliver thermal energy in areas that are difficult or dangerous for ground crews to access. By giving managers precise control from above, the TF-19 WASP supports safer, smarter fire mitigation and landscape management efforts. ISF 150. The YSF 150 brings strength, confidence, and reach to modern aerial firefighting, offering dependable support in some of the most challenging fire scenarios. Designed to confront complex blazes in high-rise buildings, industrial complexes, and remote wildlands, this industrial-grade drone provides firefighters with a capable aerial partner when ground access is limited or conditions become hazardous. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon fiber, the airframe is prepared to withstand extreme heat and strong winds up to force level 7, maintaining steady control in demanding environments. Its firefighting approach combines rapid impact with sustained suppression. The YSF 150 carries 4 fire extinguishing pods weighing about 55 pounds each, filled with ABC dry chemical or water-based agents. These pods disperse material across a radius greater than 16 feet, allowing each mission to treat roughly 2,150 to 3,230 square feet of active fire area. For longer duration operations, the drone can also operate a high-volume water delivery system using a hose about 2 inches in diameter. This system supplies more than 500 gallons per minute, projecting water up to about 66 feet, even while lifting the hose to heights near 492 feet. With a maximum payload capacity of approximately 331 pounds and a maximum takeoff weight of about 568 pounds, the YSF 150 can remain airborne for up to 63 minutes and reach altitudes around 1,640 feet. When fully unfolded, its frame spans roughly 15 feet by 15 feet with a height of about 3.2 feet. A control range of about 6.2 miles and a deployment time of under 5 minutes allow it to respond quickly, delivering reassurance and expanded capability when rapid aerial action is needed most.